Hello everyone, welcome back to BP Interview Tutorials. And today we came up with the another concept that is related to statistics on Six Sigma certification. So today we will start off with this particular topic. Before to that, I would like everyone to please check out the playlist. You will find videos related to Six Sigma trainers, quality analysts, people management, operation team leader, KPIs, Excel dashboard, reports, many tricks related to Excel, many more are there. So check out guys, there are 100 plus videos available in a playlist. So let's start with today's concept, that is standard deviation calculation. The way how we have learned about the variance, wherein we have seen how we can calculate manually and how we can calculate with the help of Excel function as well. So the same way we will learn the standard deviation as well. Standard deviation is very easy to understand. In a simple way, I can say it's the square root of the variance. If you know how to calculate variance, the final step, the result what we get from the variance, we will just do the square root of it. Then we will get the standard deviation calculation. Let's start it off guys. So I already had made my solutions here. I will go with step by step so that it will be easy to understand. So let's start this off. I'm removing all the steps here. Okay, I'm removing all the steps here. So first we will see how to calculate a standard deviation with the help of Excel function. So there are multiple functions available. This is the same as we have learned for the variance. There are some standard deviation sub functions, I can say, like stdev, stdep, stdev dot s, stdev dot p. These basically used like either we are going for the logical or textual information, or we are going with the sample or population. On the basis of that we will use it off. So here I'm using a function that is stdevpa equal to stdev stdev pa, and I will select the sample size, and directly I will get my answer, that is the standard deviation is 8%. Okay, now we will get the same answer manually. How we can do this? So let's follow this particular step. So what it's telling us, calculate the mean, which means step 1 says calculate the average. Okay, average. Okay, how we can calculate? Equal to average, and I will select all my 6 data sets what I have available. Okay, now average is done. Second step says calculate the individual data set and subtract it with the average what we have received. So I will mention here my step 2, step 3 here. My step 2 says I need to minus my individual data set, which means I need to minus 100 minus the mean what I have received, that is 90%. Same I will do 97 minus 90%. In this we will go on. Now this is my second step. Third step, it will says square it with itself, which means 10 into 10 I need to do. H7 is my cell, into same I will multiply it with H7. The same I will copy paste here. Correct, I got this. Post done with that, it is asking us to do sum. Okay, the fourth step says sum. So I'm doing sum here, equal to sum, bracket open. Okay, sum is also done. Now it is telling us after doing this sum we will divide it with the the data set what we have, that is 6 data set we have. So we got this number 0.06. I will convert this in percentage. Okay, now I will do square root of it. Okay, I done this. Now let's do the percentage. I got it. Yes, we done this. The last step for the standard deviation is square root of variance. This is the final step. Okay, and this we have done sum. Okay, now let's see the steps once again. Step 1 says, sorry, step 1 says, sorry, move to the another page, absolutely sorry. So first step says we need to do average. Yes, we did this, we got 90%. Second step says divide the individual data minus the individual data set with the individual with the average. So 100 minus 90, 97 minus 90, 95 minus 90, 89 minus 90, which means minus 1. We got this all the answers. Post doing this, third step says that square the updated data set. We are squaring it like 10 into 10, 7 into 7, 5 into 5. We are squaring it with the same value. Then it is asking us to do sum. Okay, we have done the sum. Now divide it with the count of data set. The sum what we have received, we will divide it with the data set. How many data set we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 data set. The final, we will divide it with the 6. The last step. Now this is variance what we have received, right? This is the variance what we have received, 0.6%. You can see in a variance tricks also we have received the same value here, a final number 0.6. You can see this video in our playlist guys, in the statistics in Six Sigma. And now what we will do, we will use one function that is square root equal to sqrt, which will directly give us the square root of this number. Square root is nothing. For an example, uh, if we have, I'm adding 25, what is the square root of 25, which means 5 into 5, right? We can easily use a square root formula. I'll select this, I'll get my answer as 5. Suppose like 144 we'll get 12, because 12 into 12, square root of 12 is 12 into 12 is 144 square root is 12. In this way we can get the same way I did it here with the use of formula. Now 8% is my standard deviation guys. Now this is all about the standard I hope you understood this really well. Now you need to keep understand what some sub function you need to use, either stdev, stdev.s, stdev.p, like what sub function is required as per your data set, as per your sample and population, and you will get your desired result there. So we have learned mean, mode, median, variance, standard deviation. All the basic concept got covered. In the upcoming video we will learn about coefficient of the variance. If you know the formula, please share the coefficient of variance formula in our chat box. Let's see who are upgraded with all these topics. Thanks a lot guys, thanks for watching, have a great day, and don't miss to click on share and subscribe and like option.